a roundup of key technology and space developments from October 28th to November 3rd, 2024.
Apple's new hardware launch. Apple held an anticipated event on October 28th, unveiling several new devices powered by the M4 chip, including updated models of the MacBook Pro, with a fresh space black color option, Mac Mini, and iMac. The iPad Mini also received a significant update, adding a landscape-oriented camera and improved Apple Pencil support. These launches emphasize Apple's continued hardware innovation and a push toward greater performance in its ecosystem.
Advancements in space and NASA initiatives. NASA hosted a range of events and discussions, such as the Lunar Exploration Analysis Group, or LEGI meeting. This meeting covered updates on lunar missions, including the Viper rover and commercial lunar payload services initiatives with companies like Astrobotic and Firefly. Additionally, the Shenzhou 19 mission was set for launch to the Tiangong 3 space station, marking a notable development in China's space program. The NASA Aerospace Safety Advisory Panel also convened to review mission safety updates across various projects.
AI and cybersecurity concerns. On the AI front, several companies and regulators voiced concerns about AI's role in cybersecurity, especially given the recent rise in AI-driven cyber threats. Meta, for instance, introduced a new AI tool capable of generating and editing video based on text prompts, showcasing the expanding potential for AI in creative fields, which simultaneously raises security implications.
Time change in the U.S. On November 3rd, the U.S. shifted from daylight saving time to standard time, affecting most states and serving as an annual reminder of the long-standing time change ritual.
These updates reflect a broad spectrum of technology growth, from consumer electronics to advancements in AI and space exploration.